Hello all, welcome to UNext Officer channel. I am Dr. Adra and in this channel I will be teaching you important biology topics which are repeatedly asked in UPSC and other central exams. If you haven't subscribed this channel then please do subscribe the channel. So in today's episode I will be discussing important MCQ from the topic vitamins and minerals. So before watching this video, if you haven't watched my previous video on the topic vitamins and minerals, then please do watch it. The link will be given below. So let's get on to the first question. The first question is an assertion and reasoning type. The assertion given is that most of the vitamins are not synthesized in human body. This is a true statement. Most vitamins like vitamin A, B1 that is thiamine, B2 riboflavin, B5 pantothenic acid, B6 pyridoxine are all not synthesized in our body, and that's why we have to include vitamin rich sources in our diet. Whereas our body can synthesize certain vitamins such as niacin and vitamin D. So assertion is a true statement. Then reason given is human organs synthesize only essential micronutrients. This is a false statement. This is because essential nutrients are the one that cannot be synthesized by our body and therefore must be supplied from our food. So the right option is option C. That is, assertion is true but reason is false. Now coming to the second question, it is also an assertion and reasoning type question. The assertion given is that human body synthesizes all the vitamins required by it. This is a false statement. As I have already said, a human body cannot synthesize all the vitamins. Now, reason given is vitamins are essential for proper growth of the body. That is a true statement. So, the correct option will be option D, that is, assertion is false but reason is true. Now, coming to the third question. Vitamin which is found in citrus fruits and is necessary for maintaining healthy skin is, as I have already said, vitamin C is contained in citrus fruits. The main source of vitamin C is the richest source is amla, but orange and other lemon and citrus fruits are also good sources of rich sources of vitamin C. So the answer is option A, raw and fresh fruits. Now coming to the fifth question, the sister source of vitamin C is amla, and the other name of amla is gooseberry. Now coming to the sixth question, which of the following is the richest source of vitamin C? Amla. Seventh question, which of the following has the highest content of vitamin C? The better option among the four options is orange. The chemical name of vitamin C is, this you can get confused between ascorbic acid and citric acid. The chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. And citric acid is not a vitamin. It is only a weak acid and it is contained in fruits like lemon, oranges and grapefruit. Now coming to the ninth question, the richest source of vitamin C is orange. Option C, orange. Question number 10, which of the following vitamin is helpful for healing of a wound? As I have already said, scurvy is a disease which is characterized by delayed wound healing, and scurvy is due to deficiency of vitamin C. So the answer for this question is option C, vitamin C. Vitamin C helps in absorption of which of the following elements? This is a fact-based question. Vitamin C helps in absorption of iron. So the right answer is option A, iron. Now coming to the 12th question, which of the following vitamin does not get stored in the body? Option A, vitamin A, option B, vitamin C, option C, vitamin D, option D, or vitamin E. As I already said, vitamins are mainly divided into fat-soluble and water-soluble vitamins. The fat-soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E, and K. And these fat-soluble vitamins will get stored in our body. Whereas vitamin C is a water-soluble body and it does not get stored. So the right answer is option B, vitamin C. Now question number 13. Which of the following vitamin is used as an antidote to the anticoagulant poisoning? The vitamin used as an antidote to the anticoagulant poisoning should be such a vitamin which has a role in coagulation pathway. So the answer will be vitamin K. Option D, vitamin K, which has a role in coagulation pathway. Now, which of the following is synthesized by intestinal bacteria? Both option vitamin A, option A, that is vitamin B12, and option C, that is vitamin K, are true. Both are synthesized by intestinal bacteria. The best answer will be vitamin B12 but both are right answers. Now coming to the question 15. The source of vitamin D is synthesized in our skin with the help of sunlight. So the answer is sun rays. Now coming to the next question. Vitamin available from sun rays is again vitamin D. Now coming to the next question. Which of the following vitamins is formed in skin in the presence of the sunlight? Again option B, vitamin D. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. So the right answer is option A, rickets. Coming to the next question, question number 19. Which of the following is found in the composition of vitamin D? The other chemical name of vitamin D is calciferol. So the right answer is option B, calciferol. Ascorbic acid is vitamin C. Retinol is vitamin A. Now coming to the next question. Which of the following vitamin is known as ergocalciferol? Option A, vitamin D2. Option B, vitamin D3. Option C, vitamin B12. Option D, vitamin B6. And option E, none of the above or more than one of the above. So the right answer here is option A, vitamin D2. Now, vitamin D3 is calcitriol, which is the active form. Vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin and vitamin B6 is pyridoxine. So the right answer is option A, vitamin D2. Now coming to the next question. A common name of chemical compound cholecalciferol is vitamin D. Which of the following vitamin is considered as a hormone? Vitamin D is considered as a hormone as it has an important role in regulating calcium homeostasis. So the right answer is option D, vitamin D. Question number 23. Which of the following is the richest source of vitamin A? Richest source of vitamin A among the four, that is apple, guava, papaya and mango, is option D, mango. Which of the following is an important source of vitamin E? The richest source of vitamin E is wheat germ oil. And coming to the next question. To question number 25. Which one of the following is not formed in our body? As we have already discussed, all vitamins are not formed in our body, and vitamin A is an example of essential vitamin which we have to supplement through diet. All the rest, that is all the enzymes, proteins and hormones, will be formed in our body itself. Coming to the next question. Which of the following metal is present in vitamin B12? The chemical name of vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin, so it is in the name itself. Answer is cobalt. Which of the following vitamin contains cobalt? Again, option number B, vitamin B12. Question number 28. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? We have to match the vitamins along with its rich source. The richest source of B6, that is pyridoxine, is rice bran. The richest source of B2 is not cod liver oil. The B2 richest sources are milk, egg white and meat, whereas cod liver oil is the richest source of vitamin D. Richest source of vitamin E is wheat germ oil. Richest source of vitamin K is alfalfa. So the correct answer for this question is vitamin B2, which is wrongly matched. Now coming to the next question, it is match the following type. We have to match the list of vitamins with the richest sources. Now the richest source of vitamin K is alfalfa. Richest source of vitamin D is cod liver oil. Richest source of vitamin E is wheat germ oil. Richest source of vitamin C is lemon. So the right answer is option D. Coming to the next question. We have it's again match the following question. We have to match the list of diseases with its cause. So rickets is caused due to deficiency of vitamin D, and Beriberi is caused due to deficiency of thiamine, that is vitamin B1. Nyctalopia is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Scurvy is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. So the option will be option A. Now coming to the next question, 31. Again match the following. We have to match list 1 with list 2. Vitamin C. is caused due to the deficiency. Scurvy is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Folic acid deficiency causes megaloblastic anemia. Vitamin A deficiency causes night blindness. Vitamin B1 deficiency causes beriberi. So the right option is option A. Now coming to the next question. Again match the following. We have to match the vitamins with their deficiency disease. Vitamin C deficiency causes scurvy. Vitamin D deficiency causes rickets. It's true. Vitamin E deficiency does not causes night blindness. Night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A, and vitamin E deficiency causes sterility. So 1 and 2 are only correctly matched. So option A is the answer.